Grilled Shrimp Louie, a salad sensation. Hey there, food lovers. Are you ready to shake up your salad game with a true American classic? Get ready to meet your new summer favorite, Grilled Shrimp Louie. This iconic dish isn't just a salad, it's a masterpiece of textures and flavors that'll have your taste buds doing a happy dance. Think crisp lettuce, juicy shrimp with a smoky kiss from the grill, creamy Louie dressing, and all the fixings your heart desires. Let's get cooking. What exactly is Shrimp Louie? Shrimp Louie is a glorious salad that's believed to have originated in San Francisco around the early 1900s. The classic version features a bed of crisp lettuce, succulent cooked shrimp, hard-boiled eggs, tomatoes, and that irresistible tangy Louie dressing, a creamy mix of mayonnaise, ketchup, chili sauce, and spices. Variations abound, with some versions including avocado, olives, or even crabmeat. Ingredients: serves 4 shrimp, 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined. Marinade: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, Louie dressing, ½ cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup ketchup, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, ½ teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, pinch of cayenne pepper, optional, salad, 1 head romaine lettuce, chopped, 2 hard-boiled eggs, quartered, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 avocado, sliced, optional, 1/4 cup green onions, sliced, optional. Let's get grilling. Prep the shrimp, whisk together your marinade ingredients and toss those peeled and deveined beauties right in. Let them hang out in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes while you tackle the rest. Mix up that dressing, in a small bowl, whisk together all those creamy Louie dressing ingredients. Give it a taste test and adjust the seasonings to your liking. If you like it spicier, add a touch more cayenne. Get grilling, fire up your grill to medium-high heat. Thread the shrimp onto skewers if you'd like, and grill for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they turn a gorgeous pink color. Don't overcook them, or they'll get tough. Assemble the masterpiece, divide the lettuce among your plates or bowls. Top with the grilled shrimp, hard-boiled eggs, juicy tomatoes, and those creamy avocado slices, if you're going the extra mile. Dress it up, drizzle that luscious Louie dressing over your salad with a generous hand. Garnish with some sliced green onions for a pop of color and freshness. Flavorful variations. Spice it up. Add a touch of your favorite hot sauce or a pinch of red pepper flakes to the marinade for a little fiery kick. Crabby twist. Swap out half the shrimp for lump crab meat. Pure decadence. Citrus zing. Substitute the lemon juice in the marinade for lime juice or a mix of both. Make it your own. The beauty of Shrimp Louie is its versatility. Get creative with toppings like black olives, cucumber, chopped celery, or crumbled bacon bits. This salad is seriously the perfect balance of light, refreshing, and satisfying. If you have any leftovers, store the dressing and the salad components separately in the fridge. Believe me, you'll be looking forward to the next day's lunch. If you crave more tips and tricks for making awesome salads and beyond, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.